Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about computed columns in SQL Server. So, what are the computed columns? How it is useful? We are going to discuss in today's video. Let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand the demo. So, for timing, I have prepared a script for today's video purpose. Okay, let's understand one by one. So, I'm using page demo in this video purpose. Okay, it contains employee ID, first name, last name, address, gender, nationality, phone, salary. These are the columns available in this table. Okay, so I'm trying to execute it. Click on execute. So table completed successfully. Okay, table has been created successfully. I will try to fire a select statement where it is created or not. We will try to verify it. So it's running successfully. It means the table has been created. Now I'll try to create one clustered index on employee ID column. Okay, on employee ID column, I'm trying to create one unique clustered index. Create unique cluster index name on page demo employee ID. Try to click on execute. So command complete successfully. Now I will try to execute some amount of data in this table. Around 25,000 of rows I'm inserting in this table. Try to click on execute. It won't take much time for inserting 25,000 records. Okay, around 6 seconds it took to insert data into this table. Now we'll try to execute whether we want to verify how data looks like. Page demo. Try to click on execute. Now we can see, right? So around 25,000 records are there. At employee ID, first name, all these columns has been filled with the data. Okay. Now I have created one index. So if you want to know the index detail information, so we need to run this procedure, get index information. Okay, we need to pass the table as an input parameter. Try to click on execute. Now we can see, right? So what is the index name, what is the table name, and what is the schema, total rows, all the details. So these details we have discussed in last videos, so please try to watch my previous videos so that I've explained very great detail all the options in that videos. Okay, now if you want to know about the computed columns information, I have created one procedure, that is get computed column info. We have to pass table name as input parameters. So if we execute this one, we'll get to know how many computed columns, what kind of definition while creating that computed columns. We'll see that. So for timing, it's empty because we did not create any computed column for this table. Okay, and also we'll try to verify uh, metadata of this table. Okay, so these are the columns. Now we can see, right, even there is no completed column so far. I'll try to expand so that we can see all the information very clearly. So none of them column is completed, right? All columns are no only. That's fine. And also we can verify how much space has been occupied by inserting data into this table. So try to click on execute. Now we can see, right? So what is the name of the table, how many rows, how many space reserved, what is the data space and index size, and how much is unused. Okay, now this time I'm trying to fire a select statement with the different columns. So I want to derive one column based on some multiplication. For example, I'm trying to create a bonus column, like a derived column, by multiplying salary into 1.45 value. Okay, let's try to do it. So it's giving the values. Fine. So before, I'll try to enable actual execution plan. So we'll try to understand what kind of operator it is evaluating. Okay, I'm trying to click on it. Okay, and try to execute one more time. Same result, there is no difference at all. but we'll try to understand the completed column what it is written. Try to zoom it a little bit. Now you can see, right, what is the okay actual number of rows is 25,000 and estimated number of rows also 25,000. You can see cost is 100%, it is written perfectly. And also completed column. Even if you want to know the information, go to this properties. I'll try to expand it, why it has been there, what kind of expression it is returning. Will come to know. Compute new values from existing value in area. So if you place the mouse over, you can see that convert implicit completed columns. I'll try to expand the defined values. What kind of expression? See, you'll see that all the information will capture here. See, what is the constant value? See, 1.45. Okay, understand? So this value is multiplying each row. Same thing it is showing here, expression value. What is the constant value? Okay, we can see all the information. What is the operator cost, how many rows? So estimate number of rows for execution is 1 and 25,000. Okay, so physical operation is completed column, logical operation, what is the subtree cost? We can see all the information. And also we'll try to place the mouse over here. We can see that estimated subtree cost is 9.2918 and the degree of parallel is 1. So it is a sequential plan, it's not a parallel. Okay, because if you know, right, degree of parallelism 1 means it's a sequential plan. Where you can find means just right click, go to the properties, see degree of parallelism on, right? So likewise we need to understand. Now this time I'm trying to create a one computed column instead of specifying this derived column, derived expression in the self statement. Okay, now I will try to alter table name, add bonus is a computed column name. So what kind of expression you want to add? That I want to add that this expression for this column. Okay, salary into 1.45 value, I want to make it as a bonus for this table as a computed column. Try to click on execute. Now column command completed successfully. This time we will try to verify whether it is computed column is created or not. Just click on execute this procedure. Now you can see, right, so by executing this procedure we got a detailed information like what is the schema name, what table, what is the computed column name, what kind of data type is it computed, yes, what kind of user table, object id, what kind of definition is it computed, and when it has been created, and also it is precisable, indexable, or deterministic, is persisted, it's not storing in internally described, it's not persisted. Even we can go to the metadata of this table, also will get the detailed information. I'll try to show that is also. Expand a little bit, just click on execute. Now we can see, right, one more column has been created, bonus. We can see it is computed, click yes. The rest of the columns are no only, but this when it comes to bonus it's showing yes only, means it is a computed column. I'll try to verify GUI also. Okay, go to this table, try to refresh it. Okay, go to the columns, we can see, right, bonus is a computed column, so data type nullable. Okay, now I'll try to fire a select statement. This time what will happen, we'll see that. Select star from page demo. See, bonus is creating, right, coming, right, computed column automatically, because it is calculating on the fly. It's data, this column is not storing anywhere in the disk, it is coming on the fly whenever you request a select statement. Okay, based on the whatever the columns you have specified for the expression. Okay, even you can comment this also, but it will come. Okay, just click on Excel, it will come, right? So bonus is come. Now this time what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to update one value and we'll see whether it is applicable or not. We'll try to verify that. So I'm writing update page demo set salary is equal to 23 where employee is equal to, I want to update for employee to salary as a 23. We'll try to verify it. Click on execute. So command complete successfully. Now I will try to execute one more time. Now you can see, right? So I have updated for employee id to salary as a 23. So same thing automatically reflected in bonus column also, because I have created this bonus completed column based on the salary column. So once the modification has been done in the salary column, automatically the modification is reflecting in bonus column also. If you want, we can do for some other column, like I want to update for employee id 4 4 12. Okay, try to click on execute. One row affected. Okay, try to click on here also. Now you can see, right? So immediately the modification reflecting into the bonus. We are not doing any modification for the bonus column, but even though if you do the base column, automatically whatever the column we have created as a reference for creating this component column, it's reflecting. So this way we can use the component columns. We can see all the detailed information for completed columns also. So it's not storing anywhere, it's coming on the fly whenever we requested all the columns. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or queries, so please try to send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section. Stay tuned for other videos also. Thank you.